What if your next smartphone could take photos so powerful, so detailed, and so cinematic that you might never need a DSLR again? And what if I told you that one of these phones can zoom so far and still stay crystal clear that it almost feels unreal? In 2026, smartphone cameras have reached a whole new level where AI, massive sensors, and pro-level lenses are changing the way we capture the world. And today we are counting down the top 5 best camera phones in the world, starting from number 5 all the way to number 1, and trust me, the number 1 phone will completely surprise you. Number 5, OnePlus 12. At number 5, we have a phone that might surprise you, because the OnePlus 12 is not always the first name that comes to mind when we talk about camera kings, but in 2026 this device has quietly become one of the most powerful and reliable camera phones you can actually trust for everyday photography and even semi-professional shots. It features a high-end Sony sensor combined with Hasselblad color tuning, which means your photos don't just look sharp, they look natural and cinematic at the same time, especially in daylight conditions where colors feel balanced instead of overly processed like many other smartphones. Now when it comes to low light performance, the OnePlus 12 does a surprisingly good job by capturing more light without destroying details, and that makes it perfect for night photography, street shots, and indoor videos where lighting is not always ideal. The zoom is decent, not the best in this list, but still strong enough for most users, while video stabilization is smooth and consistent, which is great if you are recording content for social media or YouTube. Overall, this phone is perfect for users who want flagship camera performance without paying the highest premium, and if you are someone who loves natural colors, smooth videos, and reliable results every single time, then this might be the hidden gem you didn't expect on this list. Number 4, Google Pixel 8 Pro. At number 4, we have one of the smartest camera phones ever created, and that is the Google Pixel 8 Pro, a device that proves software can sometimes be more powerful than hardware, because Google has mastered the art of computational photography in a way that very few brands can even come close to. Every time you press the shutter button, this phone processes multiple frames instantly using AI, which results in photos that are not only sharp but also perfectly exposed, even in challenging lighting situations like sunsets, shadows, or backlit scenes. One of the biggest strengths of the Pixel 8 Pro is its ability to capture skin tones accurately, which is something many phones struggle with, and that makes it a favorite among portrait photographers and content creators who want realistic results without heavy editing. Night mode is another area where this phone shines, allowing you to capture bright and detailed images even in almost complete darkness, which honestly feels like magic sometimes. Video performance has also improved a lot, with better stabilization and HDR processing, making it a strong option for vloggers and YouTubers. If you are someone who wants a camera that does all the work for you and delivers consistently amazing results with minimal effort, then the Pixel 8 Pro is easily one of the best choices you can make today. Number 3, Vivo X100 Pro. Coming in at number 3, we have a true camera beast that has been designed specifically for photography lovers, and that is the Vivo X100 Pro, a phone that focuses heavily on optics, sensors, and professional-level image quality instead of just relying on software tricks. What makes this phone special is its partnership with Zeiss, which brings advanced lens technology and color science into the smartphone world, resulting in images that feel more like they were taken with a DSLR rather than a phone. The telephoto camera on this device is one of the best in the world, allowing you to zoom in without losing quality, which is perfect for wildlife shots, concerts, or capturing distant subjects with incredible clarity. Portrait mode is another highlight, producing beautiful background blur and sharp subject focus that looks extremely professional. Low light performance is excellent as well, thanks to its large sensor and advanced processing, making night photography not just usable but truly impressive. Video quality is also strong, with smooth stabilization and rich colors that make your footage stand out instantly. If you are serious about mobile photography and want a phone that delivers professional-level results in almost every situation, then the Vivo X100 Pro is definitely one of the strongest contenders in this list. Number 2, Xiaomi 14 Ultra. At number 2, we have a smartphone that feels like a professional camera disguised as a phone, and that is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, a device that pushes smartphone photography to a whole new level with its powerful hardware and Leica-powered camera system. This phone is built for people who are serious about photography, because it gives you more control, more detail, and more flexibility than almost any other smartphone available right now. The main sensor is massive, which allows it to capture incredible detail, dynamic range, and depth in every shot, making your photos look rich and lifelike whether you are shooting landscapes, portraits, or macro shots. The Leica color profiles add a unique cinematic touch, giving you the option to choose between vibrant and natural styles depending on your preference. Zoom performance is also outstanding, allowing you to get closer to your subject without sacrificing quality, and the ultra-wide camera maintains consistency across different lenses, which is something many phones struggle with. Video recording is equally impressive, offering professional-level features that content creators will absolutely love. If you want a phone that gives you DSLR-like control, premium image quality, and a true photography experience in your pocket, then the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is easily one of the best options available today. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And finally, at number 1, we have the ultimate camera phone of 2026, and that is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a device that combines cutting-edge hardware with powerful AI to deliver one of the most complete camera experiences you can find in any smartphone today. This phone is not just about taking good photos, it is about giving you the freedom to capture anything, anywhere, in any condition, without worrying about limitations. The standout feature here is its incredible zoom capability, which allows you to capture distant objects with stunning clarity, making it perfect for travel, wildlife, and even moonshots that look unbelievably detailed. The main camera delivers sharp, vibrant, and high-resolution images with excellent dynamic range, while the ultra-wide lens ensures you can capture more in every frame without losing quality. Low light performance is also top-tier, thanks to advanced AI processing that enhances details while reducing noise, and video recording is among the best in the industry with smooth stabilization and cinematic quality. If you want the best all-around camera phone that excels in every category including zoom, video, night photography, and overall versatility, then the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands at the top as the undisputed king of smartphone cameras.